Another pizza, another experiment. What am I doing this time? I'm extrapolating on the Parmesan garlic wing sauce in place of the tomato sauce, pizza sauce. This turned out really good. This time, we're going with Coby Jack cheese, which is a blend of Colby and Monterey Jack, and our usual pepperoni. Just like always, I'm always more prepared than my equipment is. So if you didn't see the video where I first found out about the Parmesan garlic, I'll put a link up there in the upper right corner for you to get caught up with me. Never, ever, ever do you buy pre-shredded cheese. Don't be a lazy fuck. Shredding cheese will get you some aerobic exercise, some cardio. What rule was cardio in Zombieland? Was it number 1? I can't remember. That's probably going to be enough. I'm really guessing that that's going to be too much. What do you think? Too much cheese? It's tough to tell because the sauce is the same color. Alright, so last time we did a plain cheese because we were testing out the sauce, the garlic parm, and it really did, and I'm not bullshitting you, it really did turn out good. I haven't made a pizza since then. It's been probably a week or two. Pepperoni. One for the road. Okay, I wasn't thinking about putting mushrooms on there, but because I gotta wait for a few more minutes for the toaster oven to warm up to 450 degrees, I figure we'll do some mushrooms. Yeah. And we like lots of mushrooms. That's it. Oven should be ready in another few minutes. Actually, did you just hear that? It just went. That is like perfect timing. There you go. Hear it sizzle? Siri, give me a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
Oh, don't have my iWatch on. I got a real watch on. All right, there it is. And this is why you want to use this pan I recommend, because it's got a lip on here. Look at all that grease that we just saved from going into the oven. Forget about it going into my belly. Yeah. Oh, that looks perfect. That does look good. Crispy, caramelized cheese on the edges. Order up. Yum, 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 yum. Undercarriage. Oh man, look at that. Top, nicely done. That is good. I may have me a new favorite pizza sauce. You might too if you try it. All right, the amount of time y'all spend watching me eat, you can make this yourself. See ya.